Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll tell you about print function in Python. So basically, print function can be used whenever you want to display something in the output of your program, and it can be anything like a simple statement, a data type, or maybe some integer or float values. So to illustrate this, let us see how to display the values that are stored in a variables first. So for this, we'll move on to the Colab notebook. So let us first declare a few of the variables. So suppose there is a variable 1. So I'll assign the value as 5. I'll create a variable 2 and I'll assign a value of 10. Then I'll create the third variable, that is variable 3, and assign a value of 15. Now when I'll try to print this, so first let me run this. So here I'll print variable 1, variable underscore 1. So inside the parenthesis of the print function, you have to give the name of the variable. So I'll print this and we should get a value of 5, and here it is. So to use print on a variable, you can simply type the name of a variable whose value you want to display it in the output within the parenthesis of the print statement. So it is as straight as you can see it on your screen. Now next I'll print variable 2, value of variable 2, and then I have to print the value of variable 3 also. So variable underscore 3, and I'll hit control enter, and we'll get the output as 5, 10 and 50. Now in addition to printing a value which has been assigned to a variable, you can also use print to display a value that has been typed directly within the parenthesis. So let me write a program for this, or you can say a simple statement for this. So print, I can write it as 3 plus 5. So here you can simply write it as 3 plus 5, and I'll run this. So you'll get the output as 8. So 3 plus 5 is 8. So you can do in this way also. I'll again write 3 into 5. So now we should get the output as 15. So here we get. Now finally, you can also use print to display the result of a variable that consists of some sort of expression or variables or constants. So let me write a program for this. Suppose we want to calculate the area of a triangle. So we'll declare a variable, that is length of rectangle, and we'll give the length as 10. Then we'll declare a variable as breadth, and now we'll assign a value as 5, and now we'll write an expression, that is area equal to length into breadth. So length underscore r into breadth. So we have defined length of r, breadth of r, and after this I'll write print function, and inside it I'll print the area. Now I'll run this. So it should give us the area as 50, that is 10 into 5. So we have declared these two variables. We have written an expression as area equal to length into breadth, and in the print statement we have given this area which is calculating the area of a triangle, and then we get the output. Now further with this, we can also add a statement that the area of a rectangle is this. So we get the expression, we get the final output as the area of a triangle is 50. So you have to give a comma in between this. So you can give this double quotes for writing a statements, then comma, and after that you have to give the variable name or whatever expression you are calculating. So this was all about the print function in Python. So if you like this video, do hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then do subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you never miss out on my upcoming videos. Thank you.